Going to the chapel, gonna get married. Wednesday, Thursday.
Just this is absolutely surreal.
What's on this weekend, mate? I know. Imagine. I know. Oh, no way, mate.
Thank you.
Oh, what? Thanks very much for that. I didn't know we were getting a present.
No, don't be that. What?
And they're in it together forever. That's class, man.
To my groom, to Andrew, happy wedding day. We've waited so long for this day, and I cannot wait to see what this chapter has in store for us. I cannot wait to live life with you. All my love, Ailish. Just got me a nice my wedding day perfume aftershave.
Oh my God, you're joking. Oh, thank you.
Thanks to me.
Shoes for mummy. Oh, that beginning photo's so bad. Oh, to my beautiful wife on our wedding day, all my love, Andrew. Oh God, it's such a long message. Ailish, our big day is here. The day that we have spoken about forever and dreamed of for so long. I have no idea what you will look like. All I know is that you will be the most beautiful bride ever. My love always, Andrew. Oh my. Wow.
You look absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
Absolutely stunning. Super.
Love you.
Love you.
You look great.
Here you go, son.
Someone once said, the two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. This is why. This beach, our families, our daughter, all of this and so much more. I promise to always laugh with you, cry with you and celebrate with you. I love you today, tomorrow and forever.
Ailish, as I stand here today, I feel like the luckiest man alive. I love you so much and I am so happy that we stand here on the beach that we got engaged on 4 years ago. I promise to love you, to hold you and to grow very old with you. From today, we are the Campbells.
So now I've the most pleasant duty of officially announcing you, Andrew and Ailish, husband and wife. Andrew, you may now kiss the bride.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, son.
When Andrew asked me twice for Ailish's hand in marriage, I was perhaps too hasty to say yes. Little did I know how much it was going to cost. Andrew has fulfilled two ambitions today, one being his beautiful wife, Ailish, the other is being here at the 9th wave.
Ha ha ha.